3 класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Практикуемся читать. Страница 152-153. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. Further reading practice. Page number 152, 153. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 152. 152. We must do exercise number 5. Read the word sentences first to yourself, then aloud. Практикуемся читать. Прочитайте слова предложения сначала про себя, потом вслух. All, small, tall, ball, talk, board, morning, 40. Good morning, boys and girls, says Miss Smith. Don't talk. All the boys come to the board and draw a small ball, please. Car, far, bun, farm, farmer, alarm, guitar, father. Mark is a farmer. All the animals on Mark's farm love him. He is great fun, says Carly, the cow. Mark plays the guitar in the barn for us. Your girl, 30, 13. Surely. Birthday, purple. Who's that girl in the purple dress? Oh yes, it's Shirley. Shirley is 13 today. Happy birthday, Shirley. A. Name, skate, plane. Day, great. Today is a great day for Kate. It's her birthday. What is this? A plane. A plane for Kate. That's great. Happy birthday, Kate. Sad, dead, rap, band, land, man, have, happy. Jack. Jack and Jill are sad. They haven't got any water. Let's get some water, Jill, says Jack. So Jack and Jill go up a hill. They have got some water now. Jack and Jill are very happy. Boys and girls, do exercise number 6. Change the underlined letters to make up new words. Поменяйте подчеркнутые буквы, чтобы получить новые слова. The answer. Me, he. Tall, ball. Far, car. Red, bad. Cat, fat. Band, land. Box, fox. Said, dead. Toy, boy. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 153. 153. We must do exercise number 7. Read the word sentences first to yourself, then aloud. Прочитайте слова предложений сначала про себя, потом вслух. Tin, bin, big, sing, trick, swim. The Tin Man is sad. He can't swim. What's the matter? Asks Jill. I can't swim, says the Tin Man. I've got an idea, says Jill. Come with me. So the Tin Man follows Jill. Look, a big bin, says Jill. You can learn to swim in this big bin. A. Sail, tail, fail, wait, whale, face. This is Jane. Jane likes to sail. Look, whose tail is this? Ah, yes, it's Miss Whale's. Hello, Jane, says Miss Whale. Let's set sail. I, fly, sky, ride, like, kite, white, climb, night. Mike is white kite. He is alone in the sky. One day Mike sees a bike. Hello, says Mike. Hi, says the bike. Can you ride a bike? No, says Mike. Can you fly? No, says the bike. But I can climb. So the bike climbs up the hill. Now Mike isn't alone. He's got a friend. Oh, no, go, nose, note, home, those, old, no. Take this note to Mr. Johnstone, says Mrs. Bones. Who's Mr. Jones? asks Tony. I don't know him. His home is up the hill, says Mrs. Bones. Oh, yes, I know, says Tony. He's the old man with the big nose. Boys and girls, do exercise number 8. Complete the words. Заполните пропуски в словах. The answer. Tree, whale, kite, nose. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. I fly so blue in the sky, even my name is so clear. Butterfly, flower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance.